All right. Hello and welcome to the stream, guys. Happy Wednesday. It's been 2 rough days since last 2 days, but let's see how it goes today. I came early today to be prepared for New York session because it's been tough since last 2 days. So we're gonna focus today and get back on track. What we have done on NQ is we took out these highs, coming back down. I predicted that this move in the Discord. We have beautifully taken out. Still hasn't taken out the liquidity, but I think we're gonna do it. We'll have the push that we want in the New York Open session. If we don't, we'll dig deep into the premium areas and then come back down. But I think this low won't be intact by the end of this day, so I'm looking forward to that. Other than that, crude oil has been moving nicely. Yes, I don't know about it, but we took out this low here and had a great run to the buy side liquidity up there. So yes, CL has been moving great. I think London sessions has been nice in this new year January. Yeah, tend to take more trades in that, but yeah, let's just focus on NQ for now. We have so many interesting area to look forward to. First, to nearest liquidities that I'm looking forward to in opening phase, these lows and these highs. Let's see how it goes. Just give me a few sec, I'll be back. Need to turn on something first. Alright, this looks a bit concerning to me that we are going over these FPGs just before the New York Open session, but let's see. Let's see how it goes. Let's see if we can find something interesting on hourly charts. There has been no FPG left behind. It's been pretty, you can say, balanced price range. But I want NQ to take out this low and then run further away to the upside. Let's just quick look at the daily charts as well. What can happen in the daily charts as well. it's a bit interesting here. We have daily FPGs. We are currently in the daily FPGs of NQ. Just gonna mark it out, and 50% of that FPG will be important. Just gonna mark that level out and make it less obvious here. There we go. And yeah, that line will, if we get over that and close above that, I think on the daily charts we'll have run to the buy side liquidity, otherwise we'll go down, way further down. No, I don't trade news release. I'll have a look. I think tomorrow is what you can call it, CPI. Tomorrow is CPI. Look forward to that as well. Let's just check it out first of all. If we got any news around us, that would be wise to do it just before we got whacked. I don't think so we have any news, but we have one crude oil news coming in today. That will be all, and it's at 9 o'clock. So yeah, we have some time after one, so nothing to worry about there. This area we look forward. Let's see how it reacts to these areas. They're currently trading into daily FPGs, berries FPG. Setup is that I'm looking at these highs and lows. If we take out this liquidity and have some good displacement to the upper side, I'll get in for the longs, but better if we get any shorts here, would be nice. Means let's see how it goes. I think we'll have to wait for NQ to do something for us. Yeah, so no setup. I mean, just looking forward to see something nice on the NQ or maybe CL. I'm also looking at the CL for now. If we get any setups on that, if we get any reaction from this FPG on the open, we have still 4 minutes left. So let's see if we get rejected from these FPGs and find any setups there. On daily charts for CL, let's just have a quick peek into that. It's been messy, but we've been trading into that FPG here, so that area is important to us as well. Here we just tapped into it today, so we may reject today, so that's what I'm looking forward to. We have 2 juicy bottoms down there. So yeah, we have so many opportunities today. If we get good setups, we can get into that. This low looks juicy to me as well, this low and this low. It all depends. Do you trade US30? No, I don't trade US30. It's just NQ and crude oil. Crude oil I just added like few weeks ago, not long. I mean, I was only trading NQ before, but nowadays I'm trading CL as well if I find any setups. So that's that. Now we wait for market to lay out any plans for us, and while market does that, let's answer some question. If we have any, type it out. I'll answer if I'm capable to do it, of course. We got 2 minutes still open. Let's see. Yes, yes, I am, Patrick. It depends on the setups. Setup is A plus, I'll take it on the 100 accounts. If I'm done for that, if I'm done for the like A, if I achieved my goal or maybe lost some amount of the money, I'll switch to paper trading. I don't take more risk on my 100 accounts, but yeah, right now I am. Had a good trade on the NQ in the afternoon, like 200, not big trade, 200, $250, and then all gave it all away in the choppiness here. And I was looking for this market to slap us down, but did not get entry. Predicted that, but did not get entry. That is more frustrating than anything in the trading. We get over it. Was 5,000 pending. Did you get challenge or the 100 accounts? If it's challenge, then I think you'll have to take it a bit more slow than you do it in paper trading. I mean, you gotta have some plans to pass the accounts, some points target for daily, and all that. I don't know what target you have on $5,000 challenge account. I trade usually 50,000, so for us it's like 3,000. So what I am for is like minimum or not minimum but average of 15 to 20 points per day, and in a 2 or 3, I mean maximum 2 weeks I'll get pass in the challenges, but it depends on your trading style, on your risk to reward ratio as well. Now I see we are pumping now, leaving this liquidity alone, so this area will be more important to us now. Let's see how we react. We'll let it cool down for a bit, 5 to 10 minutes, and see if we have any setups. Until then we're gonna stay away. This is a good pump. This may be a Judy swing and then dump into the sell side liquidity into 800s, but let's see how it goes. Let's see how crude has reacted from open. We'll keep there we go, beautifully rejection from that. Five minute, 15-minute, 3-minute, all looks good to me. If we have MSS here, some FPGs up there, I may look to enter right there and there. Otherwise it's gonna, there we go, Hanky is straight up pumping, no drag downs, nothing. I'm just gonna remove these levels for now, these FPGs. We don't need it, it has done its work. Just gonna focus on charts now. CL is looking more cleaner than NQ, so I'm just gonna stay on its charts for now. If we get anything interesting down here, I'll look to enter here. Let's see. We got crude news coming in, so I won't be entering anytime soon here. So 9 o'clock and 9, yeah, 9. We have crude oil news coming in. So yeah, crude oil industry something. Don't know what it does, don't know what it is, but something related to crude oil. So gonna stay away. We have taken out the internal size for now, but I suspect that we'll have any momentum to the downside just yet. We have this high intact as well. So there we go, still pumping. Nikki doesn't want to come back down. On daily charts, it's way above that 50% area. We are into big daily bearish FVG here as well. So on 4-hour chart, just give me a few seconds. There we go. On 4-hour charts, we have this big FVG as well, of which we have taken out 50%, I guess. Now we are still to do it. So this 4-hour candle will decide where the market will go for the next week, or maybe tomorrow's news can wait. So don't know yet. We have two split lows if it just can take it out. So that's why I'm preferring shorts here. But not until we have something profound to go shorts on, because we have these highs as well. We took out these lows here, so this can be the upside move as well. All right, now this is something interesting to me. We are displacing after taking out these highs, internal highs. So if we get any profound entries, I'll look to enter somewhere. All right, let's get. I think it has left this liquidity on purpose to come back down. So this was just to take out these short sellers here. We may get something interesting. There you go, it has left the FPGs alone behind us. So we look forward to see how it goes here. Gonna change it to something lighter. There we go. I want some reaction from this FPG at least. If we leave this FPG at first. There you go, getting rid of FPG. Let's see if we get any reaction from it. There we go. Not respecting that FPG. So there we go, scratching that idea. We just digged into this FPG here. That's what it looks like here. Alright, getting into it, we have now the real MSS we want. The first time we would have been get stopped out. Let's see. Yeah, risking manage is the best thing you can do to yourself. If you don't know how to manage your risk, you don't know where to get out or when to call a day out, call a day. I don't care if you are in profit or loss, you have to have that call on both sides. I mean, call a day when you are in some profit you want, or call a day when you are in some loss. So you have to have those levels clear to your mindset and the goals in terms when I say. So second charts would have done a great job here for us to enter early, but not gonna touch them right now. We're just gonna focus on mini charts for now. Let's see if we get anything interesting here. 3 minutes it's creating some FVGs here. So let's see how it goes. We are in the premium of that daily FVG we were talking about. This is the equilibrium of that. So yeah, everything is lining up for the shorts, but we'll have to just wait. We had a high on premium, took out and we have low in the discounts down there. So alright, we got 30 seconds till this candle close. I want strong downside candle close here, so we can have something to look forward. And 3 2 1, there we go, nice candle close, and the next one as well. Hello Hardik. We are closing that 3 minute FPG, that potential FPG. That ruins our plan for now. As I said, second charts would have been great here, but don't have the access to it right now. This could have been great entry as well. Breaker here. We did not touch it though. Yes, it's not supporting our idea. It hasn't gave us anything here to go shorts on, where else CL is moving away from that FPGs into the equilibrium of that daily FPGs. Yeah, everyone is doing their own thing. There we go. That's a push I would have been happy to see if I were in the trade. Look at that. 23.34 without giving us entry. That is some push to the downside. I was looking for us to hit to this line, breaker and OB as well at the same time. We did not do that, otherwise I would have entered. Now ES is doing something at last. This trade would have been insane. Just pasted him. Just trying to be patient here. Let's see if we can take out this liquidity now. Anywhere above this equilibrium would be good to get short. While NQ is pushing down, let's see if we get any entries on here. This looks good to me, but still there's a fact that it can always come back. Want something profound here, not just candles playing around. We got 1 minute 52. I'll look to enter in 5 minutes if we get anything here. Otherwise, I won't. NQ is just gonna take out that liquidity we have marked out. Hitting this block will push it down. CL is just playing around here. All right. If we can dig into these FAGs once more, I'll look to enter. It looks good. We have taken out 2 double highs here on 1 on 5 minutes. Yeah. NQ is coming back. Again, leaving that FAG, that liquidity alone. There you go, entering into that FPG. I want some rejection from it while NQ is supporting that idea. That would be good to go shorts. Alright, we got hit. I think I'm gonna just enter here on yes. Alright, that's a good push. Rejection from that 5-minute FPG. Let's see if we can continue going downside. Hopefully we get sweep at from NQ of these lows. If we do that, then I'll just get out of this trade anywhere where it is. I'm just gonna put stop. That would be nice. Just completely forget about the stops here. There we go. That's a stop I need somewhere around here. And if I'm risking 3 points on a trade, 4 points on a trade, I will at least aim for 10 points, 11 points that I can modify any time of the day. So All right, that's a good push. I think INQ is moving downside. It has already taken out that liquidity on a one swap, as we can see here. That was a good trade on NQ as well, if we were to take it. Not that we took it. Not gonna go overload with this trade anymore. It's gonna have minimum here, which is 10 points. Reduce the risk for now. Setup करी तो बड़ी दिन में trade किया था। हाँ सर। All right, let me just break it down my trade here. Why did I enter and why it was nice to enter here, not on NQ, because we were late on NQ. We didn't get anything, but ES is the sixth sister today, so we waited for ES to do something. We had a displacement MSS FVG. We entered on 5-minute charts. So sorry, 5-minute charts. Let me just quickly open up. There we go, and boom, to the downside. Let's see if we can push it all the way downside. If we don't, then I mean I'm fine with it. We gotta take that full TP if we get it. I'm just gonna keep eyes on NQ here. If NQ can dig a little bit more further way down, that would be nice. Yes, he's trying to do that. This is the FPG. If we violate this FPG, this trade won't be intact anymore. There you go, that's a push. Let's see if we get like 4 points more. Thank you. I'm not speaking on the mic. I was just speaking to my friends here. Hello. Let's see if we get 3 points more to the downside and we get done with this trade. Move on then. I had a rough 2 days on the stream. It was Monday and Tuesday, so I gotta come back with the banger. That's a good trade with to come back. Need some push. I mean, NQ is doing nothing to support this. Coming back down, that's a bit concerning, but I'll let it fly this trade. Just gonna move my stop to break even now. No point in keeping it. There you go. Let's see it respecting this FPG. I may book it early if we don't get that displacement I want. But even if I book it here, it would be like 1 to 2. Yeah, that would have been a good trade, but it's gonna wait a little bit more because we just had this drop zone. This movement pullback is just in nature of market. We had a great sweep on NQ. Let's see how it goes. We are digging into this FVG again. Let's see if we can respect that FVG and do something about it. Need strong reaction from that FVG. New candle opening up on 1 minute chart. Let's see 5 minute chart. What it's doing. 3 minute. Yeah, we just had that FVG open up on 3 minute. I think that's why. That is the reason why we came back to fill it up, and now we'll have the comeback of this trade. Hopefully. Hoping for it. Alright, I don't like to see that. I think NQ is now moving away as we speak of this. Yeah, looks like it. Having that happens as FPG. We just wicked out that candle. That's a good sign. Nothing to worry about yet. Still not closing above that FPG. If we do that, I'm just gonna kill this trade at that spot. We just digged into this breaker and OB as well, so NQ can return back from this area as well, but we need some support from NQ. Can't do it all alone. Yes, of course, cannot do it all alone. We just missed our target. Just 2 points, not even whole 2 points. Reversed on us. Alright, we had a close about that FPG, so I'm not just gonna let it take out my buy stop at break even. So if it does that, still candles, let's wait. NQ is moving smoothly here after, so I think we're gonna get stopped out here. Looks like it. Yeah, weird behavior. Not taking out all the way liquidities. We just NQ's influence on ES. There we go. We got stopped out at break even. We're just gonna leave this drawing here for now. Let's see how it goes. Pans out. But let's move our attendance to here on NQ. CL is moving nicely, step by step. This move was nice as well. Even on crude oil, just ES had its problems. Do not took out those liquidities here. It would be nice to do it, but as usual, we can't do anything about it. Yeah, the day before CPI. NQ was nice. It took out buy side liquidity, then sell side. Now it's going for buy side again. NQ is moving nicely, but not just the entries. It's not giving us any entries. Alright, I think that's it for me today. Won't be entering again in that market. Just gonna let it do its thing. We'll come back after CPI if I can find anything. This was good trade on NQ. We did actually take this trade on ES where I sorted from here. Had a good run, then flipped it on us, so took it out on break even. CL is moving nicely as well, so there we go. From the premium, now it's coming to discount, so that's one thing to look out for. So yeah, I mean lots of things happening at lots of time, so I'll come back tomorrow, and if I see anything interesting I'll keep you guys posted somewhere around. Follow me on my social medias. I'll put my trades which I'm not showing you here, which are like London session trades or maybe after PM session trade. You can watch out for that, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Stay safe, trade smart, trade like Gamecraft.